Welcome, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into boot mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up. Okay, so now that it's off, power key, volume up, both keys at the same time. And there we go. And there we have our boot mode. So in this mode you will need to use volume up to navigate, and only volume up to navigate. As you can see, it will just cycle through, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected, which from here can boot into fast boot mode, recovery mode, or simply go back to the Android, which is what I'm gonna select. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.